Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see the making of daily wear set model 3. I'm going to make a drop shape pendant using this cutter. While designing, first you mark the design lightly, then check whether everything is proper, then you go for creating impressions. Finally, add a U-pin at the top and the pendant is ready. Now we'll go for making the studs. For making stud, I have taken a smaller drop shape cutter. These cutters are available from small to big size. So the same design I'm going to repeat it here. So the pendant, studs and beads are ready to dry. After 3 to 4 days we can bake these pieces, and these are the baked pieces. So the colors which I'm going to use are grey, medium magenta and black. Actually, I have received lots of comments regarding baking. I'll try to upload a separate video on that. I have used liner brush to paint these thin lines. These rounds are smaller than the liner brush, so I have used the toothpick to paint these rounds. So now I'm going to draw some freehand designs. In the pendant and stud, black is the dominant color. So for beads I have given grey and magenta. So the beads, pendant and studs are ready. Now we have to varnish every piece individually and then go for assembling. So in my daily wear set model 1 video, I have given a detailed explanation about assembling. I'll give the link in the description, you can check it. I hope this daily wear series will be helpful for beginners. Visit my Instagram and Facebook page for more collections. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.